Hey guys, welcome to the Kimball project. So on my BMW 335i, I did a MHD Stage 2+ tune on it. That requires the catless downpipes. I got the intercooler, the aftermarket intercooler for it, put on diverter valves, got the aluminum charge pipe for it. So I went ahead and tuned it up. It's supposed to give me 400 horsepower. I think the BMW 335i comes stock with 300 horsepower. So in this video, it's going to be my first drive after doing the Stage 2+ tunes. So here we go. Definitely feels a lot tighter. The only thing I hear is the turbos whining a little bit, which I've never heard before. So it's not a big deal. Whoa! Just even punching it a little bit. Got quite a bit more torque than it used to have. It kind of feels like a different car, actually. I don't hear the burble though, so I don't know if it's my secondary caps catching it. I put downpipes on it, so I was hoping to get some burble out of it. I haven't heard any yet. Whoa! Yeah! Problem is, my car just threw another 30 FF code, so I don't understand what that's all about. It will not have the same amount of power. So maybe my solenoids are bad. I got an MHD Stage 2+ tune on this now, so I got the intercooler, I got the catless downpipes. I think I'm going to turn off the burble function because I don't hear any. Power this thing has now, that is nuts. Wow. Wow. Man, you step on this thing, it takes off. That's amazing. I do like short pulls on the gears, it really doesn't fail, but when I go to do a long and really mash it, that's when I get a 30 FF. So I don't know what's going on with it. It's got to be the solenoids. It's the only thing left. I replaced the diverter valves. I replaced, I fixed the wastegate on the turbos. There's nothing else. All the vacuum lines are new. I disconnected the exhaust flapper. at the engine bay, so there's no hose running the length of the car on that. So I don't know what it's going to be. I'm going to have to go home and test those solenoids and see what's going on. This thing has so much torque. It's crazy. It doesn't feel like a V6 anymore. Wow. The high pitch, I'm getting super high pitched squeak too. So that must be the turbos for the diverter valves, maybe.